let's look at how to finish and tidy away your thread after completing a line of running stitch. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tuck my needle under the nearest stitch. I'm just weaving under it. I'm not actually piercing the fabric. Okay, so now I'm in a nice secure spot. I'm actually going to do that again. So I'll just duck my needle under that stitch. But before I pull through all the working thread, I'm leaving a lovely loop. And now I'm going to poke my needle back through that loop and then just gently form a knot. So now my thread's really nice and secure, but I've got a bit of a tail that I'll be cutting. So what I want to do, I'm going to tidy some of that tail of thread away under that line of running stitch. So I'm just ducking my needle under each stitch. I'm not piercing the fabric. I'll do that about 3 times. So I've tidied away about half an inch to an inch of thread. Now I can cut my thread really nice and close. And hey, look at how tidy that is.